Hello.
It's me again. And today, since I got this comment that I should make a really long video that had really loud burps, I guess I should do that. So, it's a pretty good idea. I was trying to do that a little bit, so yeah. I have no idea what I should do right now, so I just could just keep burping for like at least 8 minutes. Okay, that was master. I call that one the twister. I call that one the 3 cycle. I call that the Mooba Lipsa. Oh, and you know that I'm just making these names up after I do these random burps? You know that, right? Crazy sounding, whatever. The slower motion. I have no idea what I should name that one. Just gonna. Ow. That. I know I just started, but I'm just gonna check on the battery and the. Oh, look at that! Only 1 minute already, and we're allowed to get 24 minutes for this video, so like. Hi, you can see me in the mirror right now. Isn't that funny? Hi. Well, you gotta look closely. If you're trying to look at me in the mirror right now, you have to look behind me, so.
DYO.
I call that DYO. Okay, that didn't come out really good, so yeah, I don't count that as burp. Yeah, well. I could do that for warming up. I do that all the time because I need to warm up for doing this stuff. So yeah, and don't just go like all the time. I mean, like, you have to warm up for it before you make these awesome videos. I don't think our place is really awesome because I made this place on Roblox. That was awesome town, but then after that it was not really awesome because I only got like 3 people visited. But yeah, I'm not good at building. That was a loud one, right?
Come on.
If you heard that, that was my dad screaming.
You're gonna break the house down.
That's another crazy one. Okay, that was really bad. I couldn't even get a long one. If you look at my channel, that some of the first friends I have is this friends. He can burp too. So, well, that just came out of me. I didn't even try to do that. So like, if you have some gas in you and you don't even feel it, and you just burp, sometimes that can happen. Right now I have a headache. Well, I gotta check what time. Yeah, 5 minutes already? Oh, that's like 3 more minutes, and then it's 8 minutes. Gotta check, because that thing could go to 10 minutes any second right now. So, better get burping.
Dare you?
Ryan, that's enough mega burps.
Wait just 1 second. I'm making a video!
I know, but the video shouldn't include so many mega burps.
Somebody commented and said that I should do it like this.
Oh, I know.
Okay, I'm back.
So, I was just talking to my dad to tell him that I was making a video. And, if you're kind of embarrassed, whoever commented, I forgot your name, and whoever commented, if you're embarrassed, then you can just comment again on this video that you want it to be deleted so that I don't get so many comments so I can see it. So, yeah, I don't get lots of comments. So don't comment, people. Only after that thing is like commented already, if you don't like it. Or you can just send a message, that would be easier. So, yeah. If I said that, I just did that. It didn't last so long. I was just keeping my mouth open, so I don't know why. I just kept my mouth open, so yeah. So let me see. It might be already 1 minute already. Oh, 7 minutes. I guess I should be like checking a lot, because it's like 10 seconds and then boom, 7 minutes. I mean 8 minutes. Well, yeah, it's still 2 minutes after it's 8 minutes, but it's pretty quick for a minute to happen when you're watching something awesome.
Thank you. Turning on the light.
I just thanked my dad for turning on the light because my last video was pretty dark. So yeah. Might be 38 minutes already. Well, it's 8 and 41 seconds. I guess I have a little more time.
Okay.
I wish I just ate. So like I can burp bigger because I wanted bigger burps. Don't forget that. You should just comment or give me send me a message. But, if you like this video, then you don't send any message or anything, like a comment. So yeah, remember that. So.
Right, that's enough mega burps.
Well, I guess it's already been 10 minutes. Well, I'm running out of time, so I guess it's
Goodbye.